Hi guys, I'm back. I'm your Krishna and today I'm back with a brand new Zerb Sound Bomb. These are especially for gaming and reviews are very great in many platforms like Flipkart, Amazon, and etc. And actually, many reviews are telling that it is very useful for gaming and it has great bass. So let's test them and review them. I'm gonna unbox them today. Yeah. Yeah, this is the black plus red one. It supports Siri and both Google Assistant. So let's test Siri even. Let's unbox. This is the thing. See, it's very good, and it is very different from everything which I have seen. See, this kind of opening is not available in any Adobes. It's good actually, and also you can see this, but they are very stylish. See, let's open them. Yeah, this is how it looks, and in the box it looks in this way. So we can open and close this box in this way. Yeah, let's open it up. Yeah, see, clearly watch them. They are very good, and let's review them how they were. Once I'll check them and I'll give you a short review about them. Yeah guys, I'm saying it truth in a very truthful manner, and they are really amazing. According to me, they are the best in budget. Actually, by the way, it costed me around 4,000 rupees, 4k rupees. I'll drop link in the description. By the way, in Flipkart, we are also having some discounts. See, its price is around 4k. See, these are really amazing. And for gaming, these are the best. Really, not at all without exaggeration. See, these were the best according to me in budget. Like around 4,000 rupees, you will not be getting any buds of this quality. OnePlus will be there, but it's great. Yeah. Okay, this is a short review guys. If you like, please do subscribe, and I'll be giving more unboxing videos of Adobes, and I'll later on do everything. Like I am having some 4-5 pieces, and I'll also do them. So yeah, please do subscribe to encourage me. Thank you.